Okay, since the video is already created, what you're going to want to do is just click on it, click edit. We're going to get that out of the way. Sure, okay, so here we are on edit. Just click on get that out of the way. Why won't that go away? Alright, so you've edited. If they're done editing, if they don't have anything to edit, they just click finish. And now, see, this is the page right here where they decide where they're going to put this video. We're going to put it on YouTube. Now, at this point, normally it's going to ask them to log into their YouTube account so that knows where to put that YouTube video. I've already done it on this computer, so it already knows where to put it. Now I just come down here and I click finish, and it's going to wait in queue. I'll pause it while it does this. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and go to YouTube so we can see that video pop up. So once they've gone to YouTube and they've logged into their account, and make sure this is my personal one. Yep. What they'll do is go to my channel, and the video that they make will go right here. As you can see, I already did a practice one 21 minutes ago. So, okay, this now says published. Click done. And if I refresh, I think it should have. Nope, not yet. Done, 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 done. All right. Okay, let's go see if it's there. Refresh. Why is it not showing up? Well, it worked earlier, as you can see, so it should work for them. There was the video upload. I'm not sure if WeVideo's having trouble anyway. So what they do is, once they've got it there, they click share, and this is the link that they'll use on the website. It probably there's a YouTube choice. There's a choice for putting YouTube videos on the Google site, so that's what they'll use right there. Thanks.